So guys, I was informed that there is a newer, faster and more efficient cement mixer in the market, just like the one on your screen. I would like you guys to develop a robust capital budgeting model to demonstrate if it is viable for us to replace 5 of our 20 fleets of cement mixers which are almost obsolete. And Brian, before I forget, please make sure you show the others in the finance department how such models are being built. Hello Brian, what is capital budgeting and how do we build a capital budgeting model? Capital budgeting is a process that companies use for decision making on capital investment projects. It involves those projects with a lifespan of 1 year and above. Normally, in a corporate world, analysts or employers, as the case may be, are required to identify certain projects that they think will contribute to the strategic growth of the company. These projects should be those expected to generate future cash flows for a period of 1 year and above. Examples of such projects could be the identification of new markets for the company's existing products, or even identifying new and more efficient machineries to replace old, outdated, and less efficient ones. Also, you might be required to identify as a capital expenditure project how to improve and make more efficient certain processes within an existing system. Examples of such systems could be manufacturing systems, supply chain systems, as well as service systems. It is without doubt that capital budgeting is a very important component for a company's long-term strategic growth. It is that part, as we said earlier, which links the present situation of a company to its future long-term goals. In other words, it helps link the capex investment of a company to its long-term strategy. Capex investment projects will either create value for a company or destroy value for that same company. One very important aspect to note about capex investment is that to be able to make a world-class analysis and come out with an outstanding capital budgeting results, it is recommended that you have a good understanding of the processes in the company you are operating, as this will help you to prevent the overcounting or underestimating certain cash flows when making your analysis. Now, my recommendation for you guys is to go to your Everyday Finance website and you will get a complete course on capital budgeting and analysis, which is very practical. After completing the course, I bet you guys that you will be able to value whatever financial model you're being presented with, and you also have what it takes to build the different valuation models from scratch. Thank you, Brian. You're welcome.